So my master's studies was in applied statistics. It's about as close as you can get to a data science degree. The reason I say that is because data science, is ultimately about testing and about experiment design, and you learn that in applied statistics. In addition to that, a lot of problems that you're going to come across in the corporate world, that people think are data science problems, are really just applied statistics problems. They're just like some advanced form of statistics and analytics. So it's very helpful to have that applied statistics background. And then also, if you look at some applied statistics programs, a lot of them will have like a course like on regression methods, right? Like I had a course on regression methods. That's very common in applied statistics at the graduate level. Regression is a pretty good way to start your modeling career, right? Regression is a form of data science. So applied statistics programs, from what I've seen from most curriculums that I've seen, you're going to have to evaluate it on your own. But most applied statistics programs are actually pretty good for data science.